Hello friends, welcome back to TechDoot. Today we have brought you an unboxing of a wired headset. So this is a New Republic Starboy W wired headphone with mic, and this one I've bought from Tata Click for approximately 400 rupees only. And however, its original price is much higher than that. Like on the box it says around 2500 rupees. That is far from what it retails for. It is usually available for around 500 to 600 rupees wherever you check, like on Amazon or on Tata Click. On Tata Click I got it for 384 rupees. So that was quite a steal deal, I must say. So if you are interested in buying this product, the link will be given in the description box. You are free to check it out. And if you are liking what you see, I will suggest you to please subscribe to our channel, and I request you to please like and share our videos with your friends and family. So let's get started. My name is Vinay and you are watching TechDoot. Okay guys, so here we go. Now you can take a look. This is how the box looks like. Here in white we have a picture of the headphone with the brand name New Republic, and the model name, which is Starboy W, a wired headphone with mic. And here it says it's all about the bass. Over the left here we have a few highlights of this headphone. It says 3.5 mm flat tangle free cable with integrated mic, and the driver size, it says 40 mm neodymium drivers. And then it also says that it has passive noise isolation, and the cable that it comes with is a removable 3.5 mm cable. And this is how the box looks like from the other side. And here also we have the branding and the headphones name, Starboy W wired headphone with mic. And here we have a few technical specifications which you can check out if you are interested. Alright, so now let's get started. I'll open up the box and show you the box contents. So as you can see, these are the box contents. We have the main headphone unit, and we have the 3.5 mm flat cable. On both of the ends we have 3.5 mm gold plated jack. So like this. This one goes in your phone or in your laptop, and this one here, this goes into the headphone itself. So let me take it out of the protective cover and show you how it's built. We'll talk about its build quality a bit. So guys, this is how the actual headphone unit looks like, and I must say that I feel something good about this headphone. It's quite to my liking. The finish of golden along with black that they have given here, I really like it. And the headband that you see here comes cushioned a little, which will be easy for you to wear and comfy as well. And here are the it is expandable as well. These ear cups are actually rotatable, both to the sides and vertically as well. As you can see here, these rotate 180 degrees vertically, and these also rotate sideways. So it's quite customizable, I must say. And this is the headphone jack, where you will be connecting the one end of the 3.5 mm cable. And that's it. That's all about the box content. So let's check it out how the headphone is. We'll talk about it more. So as I told you earlier, this is how this end of the 3.5 mm cable connects to your smartphone, and the other end, this is how it connects over here to the headphone. And as you can see, the headphone fit is also quite snug. I must say, it's not loose at all, and it fits and stays on your ears and your head just fine. And as of now, it only feels light on my ears. I mean, it doesn't have a heft to it. And I'll be able to tell you more, like whether it's like when you wear it for long hours, a few hours in continuation, then how, whether it pains your ears or not. Okay, friends, so now that I have listened to quite a few songs with this headphone, so what do I say about the sound quality that I experience from these headphones? So, sound level is pretty high if you go to the highest volume level, but the problem at that level is that it's all bass. I mean, it overpowers everything else in the song when you listen. So, it's not recommended for music enthusiasts at all. So I must tell you that I'm not impressed with the sound quality at all. It's kind of below average. I mean, most of you will not even think of buying this, but I must tell you that it's pretty okay if you just want to watch movies on your laptop, on your smartphone. It does a fine job with that. Other than that, I will say, I mean, if you have bought it, you can just have it lying around as a backup headphone in your home. So not much expected out of it, and I would not recommend buying this if you haven't bought it already. So that was it, guys. That was a review of the New Republic Starboy W headphones, wired headphones with mic, and that's my 2 cents on this headphone. I hope you liked the video. Please like the video if you liked it, and share it with your friends and family, and also please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching Tech Doot.